Hi everyone. Today I'll show you the real fix if your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo. This is one of the most common iPhone problems, especially after an update or restore. First, don't panic. Most of the time, your iPhone is not completely broken. The easiest method to try is a force restart. If you have iPhone 11 or 12, quickly press the volume up button, then volume down, and then hold the side button until you see the Apple logo again. If the force restart doesn't work, your next step is recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes or Finder on Mac. Quickly press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until you see the recovery screen. On iTunes or Finder, you'll see options to update or restore. Always try update first. This reinstalls iOS without erasing your data. If update fails, then you need to select restore, but this will erase all your data. Another method is using third-party software like Tenorshare Reboot or iMyFone Fixpo. These tools can fix the Apple logo issue without losing your data in most cases. Sometimes, the problem is caused by hardware issues, like a failing battery or storage chip. If none of the software fixes work, you may need to visit an Apple store or a trusted repair center. Pro tip: always back up your iPhone regularly. This prevents data loss in cases like this. To avoid this problem in the future, don't interrupt updates and make sure your battery is charged during updates. That's it. These are the real ways to fix your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.